We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 37. A principal has given a class $75 to help pay for a field trip to a zoo. The students in the class are selling pies for $5 each to earn the rest of the money they need. The field trip will cost a total of $386. Which inequality can be used to find P, the number of pies the class needs to sell in order to earn enough money to pay for the field trip? With each pie priced at $5 and P representing the number of pies the class needs to sell, the total cost of the pies is 5p. Eliminate CD because the 75p is not correct. The students in the class need at least means greater than or equal to $386 to pay for the field trip. Therefore, B is the correct answer. Question number 38. The dimensions of a rectangular prism are 1.5 feet by 3.5 feet by 2 feet. What is the volume of the rectangular prism in cubic feet? Volume equals length times width times height, which equals 1.5 feet times 3.5 feet times 2 feet. The answer is 10.5 cubic feet. Therefore, J is the correct one. Question number 39. The circumference of a circle is c inches. The diameter of the circle is 19 inches. Which expression best represents the value of pi? Circumference equals pi times diameter. Hence, pi equals c over d, which equals c over 19. Therefore, A is the correct answer. Question number 40. A monthly budget for a small family is shown. Which equation can be used to find B, the minimum amount of money the family must earn annually in order to meet this budget? Annually means every 12 months. The table shows monthly budget. The sum of all items in the table show monthly budget. Hence, $2,630 multiplied by 12 shows the minimum amount the family must earn annually in order to meet the budget. F is the correct answer.